Okay, so here we are, eating your feet.
The show where
Our best friend, Adam,
challenges us to make ridiculous viral foods from the internet. We're going to be making everybody's favorite category of food, it seems these days, giant food.
we have to make a really, really big burger.
Here on Tasty, there's a show called Making It Big.
Our friend Alvin, he makes big things. Big burger.
Big bun, lots of cheese.
That's upsetting.
Okay. Making the bun is definitely gonna be the hardest part of this.
We have to make the bun.
Yeah.
We can't just buy
Find-
large buns.
I'm excited about touching that soft brioche dough.
That's a lot of cheese.
Oh, but he's making a slice of cheese.
Ugh.
It's thick cheese.
I feel like you shouldn't do this to cheese and sauce.
Some burger sauce.
It looks like a cartoon.
It does. Very interesting.
It's a little upsetting, to be honest.
To turn this into an even more groundbreaking burger.
Ground beef breaking burger.
In fact, yes, ground beef breaking burger. We're gonna be doing this with a meat substitute patty.
Oh.
Yeah. Adam was pitching a bunch of episode ideas for this season. And he said, how about that giant burger? And I was like, I'll do it if you replace the meat with fake meat.
Oh.
Because I didn't think he was gonna accept those terms.
So this is your fault.
Yeah. Earlier, you said that Adam's our best friend, but
He's my best friend.
it was
I
a
don't
little
know
bit
if
of
he's
a
your best
lie.
friend.
Well, you know who my best friend is?
No, it's not. No
Rie
way.
is my best friend.
Hi. Are you on this fake meat train?
I've never tried. You can do it.
Oh, you think we can do it?
Yeah.
Do you think we can do it and make it tasty?
Giant food.
That's what I said.
It's more like quantity than quality, right?
Right, we can't have both.
Yeah.
What if, that's gonna be my goal today. I want to have both.
Okay. It's gonna be my first no meat burger.
Same.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good luck.
Bye. It's time to make the burger bun. We're working on our brioche dough, but the butter needs to be room temp.
And it just came out of the fridge.
And it just came out of the fridge, so Nikki's helping us out by...
Listen, I walked into the room earlier and Andrew was shoving these into his pants pockets.
I've heard chefs talk about that.
We're using a brioche recipe from finecooking.com. It makes small brioche buns, but 16 of them. We're each gonna make a batch and then combine them because we cannot double the recipe in one of these mixers.
Combine the flour, sugar, yeast, and salt at a low speed until well combined. So we're gonna continue mixing and add 4 eggs and our milk. Should we crack the eggs before we go? Can I just crack them into my milk?
Yes?
Yeah, why not? Let's just do it.
Andrew!
I learned a lot about why things don't happen a certain way while baking.
Cheers! Blorp.
Okay, so we're swapping from the paddle to the hook.
It's too big.
Oh.
So my mixer is having a little bit of a hard time with the size of the dough, and Andrew and I have to combine our doughs at some point, so we might just blob them in now.
I got a pretty big mixer over here. Look at this glass of water. It's like Jurassic Park in here. Okay, so now we're going to add our butter.
Is the butter soft enough? It's having a hard time. I think it looks okay.
It's becoming quite soft, like a mousse. You feel good about this?
Yeah.
You made brioche before.
Yeah, see, this was what I couldn't get right because my butter to rest of the dough ratio was far too high. So
Really?
it never came together.
I don't think this is gonna pull off the sides. It's just, there's too much of it, you know?
Adam just said if our recipe is doubled, would it take twice as long to mix? And quite possibly, yeah. Sounds terrible.
It's starting to
It's
ball
working.
up at the top.
It's
yeah.
working.
No, you messed up this time.
Did I? I thought that
Maybe.
was fun.
I
You
messed
messed
up? Yeah, it makes sense. That checks out.
Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it.
Oh,
It's
it like just became dough.
It's a ball. It's a smooth, shiny ball.
I think I'm too anxious to be a baker. I was ready to pull the plug on this thing.
I know.
Boy, was I wrong. Now, does this look like what Alvin did in his video?
So satisfying.
Oh, kind of, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels great, right?
Oh,
It's like
yeah.
not that sticky. I think we did. I think we did do it. She's pretty.
I know. Okay, we're gonna cover it to let it rest.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Our dough has
Look at that.
nearly doubled. Wait, watch this.
It's massive. Ooh, yeah.
So we're gonna make a mold just like Alvin did for our baking sheet.
This is huge.
Yeah. Is that enough?
I don't know.
Don't let it touch the floor.
Could this wrap the both of us?
Yeah.
Is this sturdy enough?
I don't know. I don't think our dough's gonna be big enough to fill that up.
Fill this?
His is at least half of the size of ours is right now.
Think,
imagine the burger.
Wait, no, but look at our dough. I want to use
we're using all of
it.
Yeah, let's do it. Man, big is scary. Oh. Oh. So now we're going to punch down our dough bowl. Oh, it's like leaking.
We touched it too much. Put it in, just put it in. Just put it in.
Okay, so now we're just gonna let this proof.
It smells like bread. It smells like baked bread. That's comically large.
I think this is ready to bake. This is gonna be an ugly bun.
Oh, we gotta egg wash the top.
Okay, let's get a couple eggs. We are going to now put this into our preheated oven. Okay, so while the bun is in the oven, we're going to prep some of our vegetables. You wanted caramelized onions, so I'm gonna slice them up, throw them in this pan right here. You're gonna work on sliced tomatoes.
Sliced tomatoes.
Let's go check that brioche.
I think we need to cover the top because it's very brown and it's only gonna get browner.
Oh, Nikes. We should,
But how? It needs a foil hat.
It needs a foil hat. I'm a baker.
You know, a good burger sauce really can make or break a burger. This is gonna upset some people. Mayonnaise is very polarizing.
This whole video is gonna upset some people.
We want a nice orangey color, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna add the relish?
Yeah, but more ketchup first?
Should we put a little relish in?
Yes, I know you're so excited about the relish.
Well, you don't like pickles, but
I don't like pickles. I will accept a little relish in the sauce.
This is gonna, I think, add the
stop
tartness.
Stop there.
Let's give it a taste.
No! Why did you eat that like a mouthful of soup?
It could use more relish for sure.
No.
We caramelized the onions for you.
No, what are you doing? What's wrong with all of you?
Now we're making a burger. Okay, so it's time to assemble our patty. We're going to smash them onto this baking sheet just like Alvin does in his video.
Did you want to get some spices?
Did you want to get some spices? I'm gonna start plopping them out onto the sheet. So it actually kind of smells like ground beef.
A little. It's like fainter, the smell.
So this is like my standard burger size, probably. All right, we gotta check that bun. I'm getting nervous now.
Wow!
Yeah, we're good. Cool, so we just need to make a patty that's this big.
2 patties that big. Also, meat shrinks when you cook it.
For sure. Start with some salt.
I also got roast smoked paprika and regular paprika because I feel like you would have an opinion.
I know, but both sound lovely.
Okay.
Some black pepper, sure.
Garlic powder? It's very cold. Throw them in.
Throw them in, see what happens. I turned it up to 475. So Alvin made a giant version of a slice of cheese.
Right, he like melted it and then recongealed it.
Do you want to do that? Or do you want to just slap cheese on top of our patty? We're back from the store with our main objective, the cheese.
Our main cheese.
Thankfully, they let us buy this unsliced.
Thankfully, they let us.
Okay, we've got our glorious block of American cheese. The finest cheese, perhaps, for burgers.
Why is this knife sticky?
I use it to cut the onions.
Onions.
So Adam thinks that we should do it the long way.
I agree with Adam, but that looks like a difficult task.
Okay, yeah, that's gonna be tough.
Yes, that will work. I'm just gonna tell you right now, no matter how hard I'm gonna try, it's probably gonna be a little crooked and everyone's gonna have to be fine with that, okay?
Should we steal a little bit?
Yeah. Kitchen mice.
Oh yeah.
This is not.
Holy You made a good batch bread.
This should not be a burger bun.
No. This is a straight up cake.
Oh just pulling chunks out.
This is just.
Oh!
Yeah. That's enough cheese. We're gonna go put this on the patties.
Look at all that oil.
Oh. I mean, it's not exciting looking.
Does it have to be exciting looking? Did we maybe overcook it? It's upsetting.
Throwing some cheese on, yeah. Nice even distribution.
I don't want anyone to see me like this, you know?
Yeah.
I'm upset by a lot of this.
Oh, you gotta get way more cheese than that, Nikki.
Leave me alone.
So we think our brioche is a little too fragile to be toasted, so we're gonna
Also,
skip.
it's so delicious as is.
Yeah, we're gonna skip toasting. Let's
bottom?
sauce the bottom.
It's gonna be a light saucing.
This is silly though.
What's silly? All of this? All of the above?
Yeah.
Everything we've done today?
Yeah, everything is silly. It has a very suction-y effect.
I wish I didn't know this wasn't meat.
All right, I'm going for it. It feels like it's ready to go. It's too big.
It doesn't shrink up like regular meat. Cut it all the way. Okay.
Next one.
Yep.
Here it comes. There's cheese squirting out the front right now.
We just keep going, yeah? Onions?
Yeah, onions, plop them on.
I hate this.
7.
This top patty is sliding off the bottom patty.
Shove it back on. Hold it in place.
Oh, no. It's not too far, too far.
It's gonna have to be, it needs to
We gotta
balance
move
itself
faster.
out. Yeah.
Go, lettuce. No, there's no time. Keep moving.
Does it look good?
Stop putting lettuce on there. Andrew, stop. It looks really horrific.
I'm gonna start smearing sauce on the top bun, okay?
All right. I think this burger looks the way that I feel on the inside about this burger.
Okay, should we put its hat on? It's gonna have to fall to a certain degree.
I can help that problem. Oh, no.
I don't know, guys. I think it looks pretty good.
I can't look at it.
I'm not mad at this. This is Instagram versus reality right here. Okay, that's gonna be the.
Okay with this. It barely looks like a food. I can't wait for Rie to see this. She's gonna never be friends with any of us ever again.
She's not coming back. This is what's
gonna
gonna
quit
scare her.
for sure. Rie!
Approach
Sorry.
very slowly.
Come closer to me.
Why?
But look away.
Okay.
Okay. And
Can I watch?
yeah.
Is it bigger?
I don't know. Look at this
It's
side.
so bad.
What? Aren't you always the one who's you eat with your eyes?
But it's
What are your eyes eating now?
I mean, giant burger. This is giant burger. If you
Yeah.
made too small, I would be disappointed. But this is giant burger.
Okay, so if your expectations were just large.
Yeah, I wasn't expected gourmet. What are we gonna do? Just pick it up?
like a burger. It's crazy.
It's burger.
Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. All I got was lettuce.
Michael, meat.
How's the meat? Really?
Yeah.
I think it's fake meat. Oh.
It's actually not bad.
Here we come. Boom! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Yeah, look, cheese ball.
Look at all the
Why are you guys so surprised?
Listen, I don't know. When we were assembling it, when we put the top on top, everyone in this room started crying.
That looks incredible though, right?
Yeah.
Listen, it smelled real weird while we were cooking it.
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Really? All right, I'm gonna get a slice. Okay, so Ray's crying because she can't believe how good it is. And I can't either, but I think this maybe proves the idea that a sloppier burger is a better burger. So it doesn't quite look as clean as Alvin's, but I'm actually shocked how good it tastes. It tastes like an actual burger.
We're just
What's
weeping.
wrong?
I don't know.
Look, it's been a roller coaster of emotion today. Adam's shaking the camera because he's laughing.
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Hold your hands like this in front. Right? I don't know.
It's so big. Can I have
Sounds like you're eating noodles.
Oh my God, whoa!
I said at the start of this, I hated that Adam was making me do this challenge, but now I'm kind of,
No, I
I'm
still
pretty
hated
pleased
it.
with it. Oh.